Hey there, health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to FitLife Hub. In today's video, we've got you covered with some delicious and healthy lunch ideas that are perfect for those busy days when you need a quick and nutritious meal. Let's dive right in. Our first healthy lunch idea is a Quinoa Veggie Bowl. Quinoa is a superfood packed with protein and nutrients. Start by cooking quinoa according to the package instructions. In a bowl, add the cooked quinoa, sliced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, diced avocado, and your favorite leafy greens. Drizzle with olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Mix it all together for a refreshing and satisfying lunch. Next up, we have a chickpea salad wrap. This one's a great option for those who prefer a plant-based lunch. In a bowl, combine mashed chickpeas, diced celery, grated carrots, chopped red onions, and a spoonful of hummus. Add a dash of cumin and paprika for extra flavor. Spread the mixture on a whole grain wrap, add some baby spinach leaves, and roll it up into a delicious and filling wrap. Cook brown rice according to the package instructions. In a pan, sauté diced bell peppers, broccoli florets, and snap peas with a splash of low-sodium soy sauce. Add the cooked rice to the pan and stir-fry until everything is well combined. Enjoy this wholesome and flavorful lunch. Sometimes, a light and refreshing lunch is all you need. Enter the Greek Yogurt Parfait. In a jar or a glass, layer Greek yogurt with fresh berries, granola, and a drizzle of honey. Repeat the layers to create a beautiful and delicious parfait that will keep you energized throughout the day. There you have it, 4 healthy and quick lunch ideas perfect for your busy days. Remember, eating well doesn't have to be time-consuming. With a little preparation, you can enjoy nutritious and tasty meals that fuel your body and mind. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and wellness tips. Have a fantastic day, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.